After you change the oil in your car, a small amount of oil stays in the oil filter, and when you take the oil filter off, it leaks all over you, your hands, the ground. There are 289.5 million cars in the United States, and a large majority of them use oil filters that need to be replaced regularly, so there's a huge need for our product.
This is an oil hose. It's used for a different type of oil filter, but it aims to solve the same problem of oil spills.
This product is similar to ours, as it is rubber and malleable, and it goes over the oil filter, but it's much more expensive, and after you put it over the oil filter, it just drains out the bottom of the product, not catching it, but redirecting the spill.
This tool is used to puncture the filter and drain the oil out, but it does not solve the problem, it just redirects the spill to a different area. Our product aims to catch the spilled oil and not redirect. The requirements listed below are things we wanted to make sure our design would include.
This was one of my first designs, and it is a rubber cup that is malleable, would be able to fit over all oil filters, and it would also be able to store well because it is rubber and can compact it down.
This is one of my first designs. It features an origami cup and 2 adjustable screws. The screws would attach to the filter to make it universal, and the origami part would contain oil and collapse to make it very compact.
This design is a plastic bag with a rubber part on top. The rubber part would attach over the oil filter, and when you unscrew it, the bag would catch all of the oil and it would be disposable.
This is an adjustable oil wrench, which is already existing, but does not catch spilled oil, so I attached a bag to the bottom of it, but this design didn't work because it would seal and not allow oil to enter the bag.
This design has a collapsible top, such as like an AC vent, so it would collapse really small, and then the rubber part at the bottom would allow you to clamp onto the oil filter and screw off.
This product is similar to an enlarged universal socket with a malleable bottom to fit any oil filter universally, with the raised sides to catch any spilled oil.
We refined our product across multiple prototypes in order to make the best possible design. This is what would happen in a typical oil change if you don't use our product. With the oil sock, you can catch all spilled oil and save the environment. We performed rigorous testing across many different angles.
Our product works at all of those angles and catches all oil, and no oil can be spilled.
As you can see, here's the results from our testing. Every single angle, our product caught all of the oil, meaning that the oil sock saves the environment. We used science, technology, engineering, and mathematic principles.
We used these principles to design and test our product to make sure and ensure it meets and exceeds the standards set by our rubric.